Welcome to new airline review video. So as you can see from my YouTube channel, I love to travel. And whenever I travel by different airlines, I usually do an airline review video. Recently, I got many requests to do airline review video of United Airline. Today, I am flying from Frankfurt to Washington DC by United Airline. And this is a comprehensive review of United Airline flight 988 from Frankfurt to Washington DC.
United Airline is world's fourth largest airline, and in the list of world's top airlines, its rank is 88. Okay, that's low. So now we have already set the bar very low. So let's actually check it out and find out why United Airlines rank is 88th in the world. Right now I feel like its ranking should be at least 10. So I'll keep this number in the corner and I will change this number as the review goes on. Let's start with the seating. To be honest, seats are standard and there is nothing to complain about it. It includes all the necessary things like TV, power outlets, etc. I can't say seats are great, but definitely not bad. Seats are good enough to keep the ranking same to 10. This specific plane is Boing 777, which means a comfortable ride, plenty of space. You can take a small walk also in flight. Bathrooms are also clean and tidy. Yeah, so let's see, as of now, let's keep the number to 10. Now let's see the entertainment panel. The screen is kind of small, but they have good collection of movies and TV series. I am going to watch this new Mission Impossible. Information is also good enough, but you know what? Screen just crashes in between or takes too much time to load sometimes. Let's lower the ranking by 10. Okay, 20. They provide the earphones, which are not great, but Wi-Fi is available and you can watch all the movies and series on your phone if you want. Of course, you have to download United app before you hop in, but Wi-Fi speed is good. So let's bump up the ranking by 5. Now, the most important part, food. So after takeoff, a drink and a snack, not bad, not bad. Then the first meal. Meal doesn't look that fancy like Emirates or Qatar, which are top airlines in the world by the way, but I hope it tastes good. We have rice and curry, some chickpea salad, and this thing which I don't have any idea what it is. Let's see how it tastes. What did I just eat? Is it a eatable thing? It tastes like shit. Okay, we found out why United's ranking is so low. Lower that number, lower, even lower. And in the second meal, you get a banana and sandwich. Okay, lower the number again. Finally, one good thing. Ice cream. Okay, let's increase the rating by 12. And that's why rank of the United Airline is 88th in the world. Food. Now it's time to land. Hey, Donald Trump might be in the Washington DC. Welcome to United States. Time to fill out custom form.
So to summarize the experience of United Airlines, they should give better food. That's it. Let me know which airline do you want me to go next.